and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Now today's video is gonna be a no makeup look like the title suggests. And guys, I had this topic in my mind for a while, and everyone has their own way of doing it, and today I'm going to show you how I do it. So a no makeup look is the bare minimum, focusing more on the steps rather than the products. So products are going to be very less comparatively the steps, and we have to focus more on the application and the application of all the products. So yeah, now guys, before I start the video, I'm going to share with you some hacks that is going to help you achieve this look in no time. Okay, so hack number 1 is moisturization. Now I know guys, not all of us are blessed with that glowy and dewy and glossy skin, but we can definitely fake that by applying a very good moisturizer. So before applying your makeup, you really need to apply a good layer of moisturizer, which will make sure that your skin is really glossy and dewy and naturally hydrated. So yeah, now hack number 1 is priming. Yes guys, priming is very important for especially for no makeup look, because you want your base to be really smooth, and by applying a pore filling primer, what happens is your pores are gonna be filled by that, and your nose and especially this area and your chin area is gonna look very clean and plain, and that is actually a very good base for your no makeup look. Now hack number 3 is go light on the coverage. Now guys, your tinted sunscreens, tinted moisturizers, your BB cream, your CC cream help you get that clean look and still allow some of your imperfections to shine through. Now guys, if you're not using your foundation like me, like I'm not going to use foundation for this look, so what I generally do is I take my tinted moisturizer or my CC cream, and I usually take a very small amount of it when I go out, but for this look I take a little bit more, and what that helps is that it covers my eye area and also my mouth area properly, and also it doesn't give me that foundation wear look, but definitely it gives me a very cool and very perfect look. So yeah. Now hack number 4 is concealers. Now guys, you're not supposed to put a lot of concealer, because that will definitely crease and that will give you a very bad look. So yeah, so for this look, what you can do is you can color correct if you have super dark circles and pigmented mouth area. So you can color correct very lightly, and then you can put your concealer and very fine layer of concealer so that it blends with your skin really well. So yeah, okay, so this is my bare face and I have nothing on my face guys. Also for this look, like for no makeup look, it is really important to prep your face, and for that I'm going to be using this Illuminate serum by Mamaearth. It's the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum, which is really good. Like it is not that thick and not that thin also, so इसकी consistency काफी अच्छी है skin के साथ blend होने के लिए, so that ये काफी अच्छा base create कर पाए for your CC cream or foundation as well. So yeah, also guys, you really need to focus on areas where you get flaky and dry patches. So my major concern is my mouth area and also near my chin. Make sure to blend the serum properly around your eye area, under your eyes, or also over here. So I'm done moisturizing my face. Now let's move on to the second step, which is priming, and for that I'm going to be using this primer. And for guys, this kind of look, primers are actually a must, and especially the primers that are pore filling primers. So this is one such primer. It is by Colorbar. It actually helps you to fill your pores. I'm going to focus more over here and here, and also near my chin area. It actually gives you a clear base, clear as in a plain base for your makeup guys, because especially for this kind of look, you don't want your blackheads and whiteheads to pop out, because that looks really bad. So you definitely need to prime your face. Now for this kind of look, I've seen people putting their foundation as their concealer, but today as I'm not going to use my foundation because that's going to be really heavy, so I'm going to go for this concealer. Now guys, try using a concealer which is very lightweight as in लगाने के बाद भी पता ना चले कि आपने concealer लगाया हुआ है. So yeah, now I'm going to put this on my eyelids, under my eyes, and also around my mouth area and over here. Now I'm going to put a very light layer of this. I know I look weird, guys. So usually I prefer blending with my ring finger only, but today I have my nails on, so I'm gonna blend with this brush. Now once I am done concealing my face, I'm going to move on to my full face, and for that I'm going to be using my CC cream, which is this Lakme 925 CC cream, and I'm in the shade beige. Now I'm going to apply it to my face like how I apply my foundation. And I don't know guys कैमरे में कैसा दिख रहा है, but honestly यहाँ पे देखो तो ये काफी ज़्यादा blendable है and मेरी skin काफी ज़्यादा natural लग रही है. Now I think I've blended the CC cream in my skin really well. Now let's move on to the next step, which is setting my face. Now I usually love setting my face, like my full face, but today I'm going to be setting just my eye area, because you know, the more glowy, the more hydrated your skin looks for this kind of makeup look, it's more better. So yeah, I'm just going to be setting my eye area today. Guys, and for my brows I'm going to be using the same pencil that I always use, which is this Maybelline Fashion Brow Eye Pencil. And guys, I'm not going to literally put a lot of it, I'm just going to give a little bit shape and structure to my eyebrows so that it looks natural. Just a little bit over here, and yeah, I'm done. Now let's move on to the next step, mascara. And for mascara I'm going to be using this Lash Sensational mascara. And guys, you don't need to put a lot of it, you just need to put one layer of it. And before that I like to curl my lashes. Now once I am done curling, I'll be using my mascara, and for that I'm going to be using this mascara, which is by Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just going to be putting one coat of it, hardly one or two coats of it. Sure to not take a lot of product. Done with my eyes, guys. Now let's move on to highlighter, and for highlighter I really like to put a very little highlighter over here to give that sheer glow. Now for that I'll be using this first shade from the Makeup Revolution palette, and the shade is Shimmer Brick Rose Gold, and this one is actually very light and it does not have sparkly things in them. Now make sure guys to use a highlighter that does not contain those sparkles in them, क्योंकि वो इस look को काफी ज़्यादा spoil कर देगा, because it's a no makeup look, so you don't want to look that, you know, sparkly and stuff. So yeah. Here if you want, because I really love highlighted nose, so I definitely put highlighter over here, also here and on my Cupid's bow. Now to add some color to my face, guys, I'm going to be using this highlighter. It's a very natural highlighter. It's by Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Mellow Wine. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it using that same brush. Can you see guys how natural this looks, and it doesn't look like कि मैंने blush लगाया हुआ है. Now to add some color on my lips, I'm going to be using this nude lipstick by Nykaa, and it's in the shade Robin. And I'm not going to overline my lips with this. I'm just going to be putting on my lips. Not too much, not too light, just the perfect amount.
Of the night is you.
down below. You can check that out. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get a notification every time I post a new video. Also follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys.